Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and sometimes you need to whip up a quick recipe that'll blow people away. When that happens to me, I whip up this super delicious Cowboy Caviar. So let's dive in. Grab a strainer and strain the liquid out of a can of black-eyed peas and a can of black beans. Get out a large bowl and add them to it. I like doing this first because it gives us a reference on how small we should try to cut up the rest of our veggies. First to the chopping block is half a red onion, then a yellow pepper, some Roma tomatoes, and lastly some jalapeños. Once all these are chopped up, just take a second and recognize how beautiful all these veggies look. Add the veggies to the bowl, and now we can start working on a dressing. Get out a small bowl and add in olive oil, lime juice, and balsamic vinegar. Now add in some chili powder, ground cumin, and sugar. Whisk it all up and drizzle that on top of our veggies. Toss it all together so we mix everything up, and at this point it is ready to serve, but I like to keep it in the fridge for about an hour just so those flavors have some time to mingle. Now grab a bag of your favorite tortilla chips and let's plate this dish. Want to make sure to get a little bit of everything here. There are so many amazing fresh flavors hitting you all at once. It is truly delicious. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite quick recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more. We'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. This is not working at all how I thought it. Oh, jeez. This is just, there we go. Whatever.